Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to show or display all tray icons on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in settings, best results should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select personalization. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select taskbar. Go ahead and select that option. And then taskbar items, go ahead and click the drop down to show all the items in here. And then you can check mark different items that you want to appear in the taskbar. And you can also adjust system tray icons as well. So if you're noticing there's certain icons down here you want to be displayed, you can adjust them by toggling to the on position. And if you want to move any of these system tray icons to the system tray down here, you can just go ahead and just left click on the icon and just hold down and drag it until a little line appears down here. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.